Living like the president, but I can't vote, boy. Picked him out from miles away, he in my scope, boy. How you speaking on my name and making no noise?
Over the years, there's been discussions about appeals and evolving narratives. What, if anything, do you think the public is wrong about the evidence of the case?
Nothing. I think the evidence is the evidence. I think what what his people get caught up on is, you familiar with O.J. Simpson case?
Yes.
All right. Unfortunately, O.J. was found not guilty. Mm-hmm. I personally think O.J. did it after looking at the evidence. Right. The state of California says O.J. is innocent, but the reason the state of California says O.J. is innocent because of the way that they try to get O.J., meaning Detective Furman planting the evidence. Mm-hmm. He wanted a conviction so bad that he went out his way to do stuff to the case, not knowing he would have got a conviction anyway because of the other evidence was there. But Johnny Cochran, Robert Kardashian, and the Dream Team was able to bring out all of the illegal stuff that happened. So I said all that to say with this case, what his people try to focus on is Jefferson Parish. Jefferson Parish is racist, missing that your two homeboys told what happened, that the two witnesses told what happened, that the homeboys actually pieced together why the gun was thrown in the river and why you didn't have a weapon, but yet they would come back and say, oh, they didn't even find a gun on them. I guess so. It was thrown in the river.
You said all the records are public, and if they go read it, they can see exactly how he was found guilty. Is there a specific court finding a document that the listeners could go or the readers could go search for and find?
Yeah, from out the gate, like I said, U.S. versus Corey Miller, a.k.a. C. Murder. You hear they say, oh, when the 911 call, out the gate, the very first line is Darnell Jordan called a detective. The very first line. So go on there, read it. It breaks down everything. It breaks down even the girl that I said that urinated on the stand. I can't remember her name, but they put all that in there of why they believe she was lying. She said she was afraid about homie calling the police on several occasions saying he was scared for his life, where they had to put him in witness protection. Like, it's all in there. Just go read it.
Who was scared when they had to get
Darnell Jordan. Okay. Peanut, yeah.
If you could ask the prosecutors or the defense teams one question today, what would it be?
If I could ask the defense team, I would say line up what you did on the first trial with everybody that said C. Murder was with them. And let me know, not from a lawyer standpoint, but as a grown man standpoint, does that make sense? Meaning, if he was in VIP with him, he was at the door with him, he was at the bar with her, he was talking to her and her girlfriend, he was taking pictures with them. Is it 5, 6 C. Murder clones? Or was he in all those places at one time?
No, bitch ain't bigger than the program. Bitch ain't bigger than the program. Bitch ain't bigger than the program. Next time you need to remember. Bitch ain't bigger than the program. I ain't no nigga bigger than the program.